Hey everyone, today we are testing out a smartwatch that comes bundled with charging earbuds, neatly stored in its strap. A totally cool concept, so let's check it out. So this combo merges a full featured smartwatch, complete with your fitness tracking, Bluetooth calls, notifications, and IP67 water resistance with a hidden earbud compartment that will store and charge two earbuds directly inside of the watch band, as well as being compatible with Android and iOS, promising you hands-free convenience. It comes along with two different wristbands you can choose, an orange one or a black one, as well as your paperwork and your charging cable. On the watch, the side with the buttons come out on this thing, and it is so cool. They're disguised as stopwatch buttons, but they are covers that will open up and allow you to access earbuds. And when you're done using the earbuds, you can just put them right back into the compartment and cover them with the flaps. Powering up the watch, I definitely took a liking to the screen. It's very clean, very clear, and touch responsive. Swiping down from the top gives you your menu where you can see battery level, screen brightness, your phone connection, earbud status, and settings. Then swiping up is where you can see your notifications. And of course it comes bundled with a bunch of cool watch faces you can choose from, allowing you to completely customize this watch to your own preference. Getting the wristband installed is super easy. We decided to go with the orange wristband to help really make it pop. And I'm really happy with these wristbands. They're super comfortable and they lock in very well. When it comes to charging the smartwatch, it has a magnetic connector that will magnetically attach to the back of the watch. And don't worry, it will only connect one way, with the magnetic polarity being fixed to the appropriate way to get it to plug in. If you have it the wrong way, it will forcefully push it away, not allowing it to connect. But when you have it in the appropriate direction, it will snap right into place, giving you a charge. I thought that was pretty cool. Once you have it paired up with the app, you can unlock even more features. You can set yourself up a profile where you can keep track of all your fitness stats and customize the smartwatch directly from the app, which in my opinion makes this a whole lot easier on going through all the different watch faces you can choose from. Another feature that I thought was awesome in the app is the fitness programs in their workout section. From here you can choose from a ton of different types of workouts, whether it's like cardio, muscle building, fat burning. It's all in here available for you to watch and use in your daily routines. This makes it super easy to keep all your fitness programs in one place. And with the built-in earbuds on the smartwatch, you can just pull the earbuds out and listen along with no problem. They sound great and they're comfortable. You have everything you need in one package. I thought that was pretty cool. So with making this watch a clever, compact solution for those who want seamless audio and fitness tracking without all the bulk, this smartwatch definitely lives up to its name. We have all of our links and details located in the description, so make sure to check that out. Found this video helpful? Make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what your thoughts are on this smartwatch. If you enjoyed this review and would like to see more like it, make sure to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.